fifth, the Throat Chakra, that's the space where the archetype is the Trickster, the Joker. It's an amazing quality. We see it in a lot of the media today, in art and acting, and it's a space where the truth is. And there's also something about the location in the body of the sixth chakra and the heart, and like, if we know that, if we have a vision and insight and we know this is where we're going, and we're actually coming from the heart, our truth is really easy, right? It's usually the alignment here is, it's like, this is where I'm going, this is the direction I'm taking my life. If we talk to our woman, it's my purpose, that's where I'm going. I know I'm doing it from a space of love and service. That's a place of the truth, that's a place of where communication can serve honesty and integrity. It's also, there was also the trickster in the king's yard that would just throw humor and be cynical and can laugh at the king, but we all know that it's in service of, it's probably the only one that can challenge the king, and when they do it. When it's not done in the service, when it's done in the shadow, it is coming as manipulation. It is coming as a place that creates separation, fear, and you see the energy just collapse. It's very powerful. As you know, they say, God creating His own words. It's how the Bible starts, and there is light. So just language and words are very powerful. There's a whole movement like landmark education, and you know, they just took language into such a space of power. So that's where the Throat Chakra, that's where the Joker resides.